What you're about to see contains controversial information about your retirement accounts that the government does not want you to know. Please only share this video with trusted friends and family because if this information gets too widespread, the government may step in and do away with this loophole. I'm about to reveal crucial information that will save your financial future. This information will protect you from the government stealing your retirement money, which if new laws are passed, they'll be able to do. Traditional investments like stocks, bonds, annuities, 401ks, and traditional IRAs are no longer safe. The next 5 minutes will educate you on how to protect yourself and ensure that you don't have to spend your retirement penny pinching, working, or giving up your dreams that you worked so hard for. If you can't hold your retirement in your hand, you are not safe. Don't think that stashing cash in your mattress is safe either. With the government printing money and assigning arbitrary values to it, there's nothing safe about cash. Inflation rates are only going to get worse. You need to diversify in the tangible asset I'm about to tell you about before it's too late. Several news sources have leaked the information that the government may change the law so they can seize your retirement funds, your hard-earned nest egg. The Irish government has already done it to their citizens in an attempt to deal with their financial crisis. Our government also needs to increase its revenues. We have over $35 trillion in national debt, and the government is spending even more to fund Obamacare. Reports say that Ireland is not alone. In France, Argentina, Poland, Cyprus, and Hungary, public and private pension plans have been overhauled, and some have been taxed until they disappear. It's naive to assume that the United States won't be the next country to join those legally robbing their citizens. Obama has put a target squarely on retirement accounts. He has already proposed a cap on tax-advantaged retirement accounts. Even the liberal media can't ignore the warning signs. According to CNN, in the next decade, the government will be able to take over $9 billion from the savings that you're working hard to put away. The devastating market crash of 2008 was only a warning that even though everything seemed fine, there is nothing safe about retirement funds. But people are getting comfortable again. Simply put, if you're putting your money in any kind of intangible asset, your retirement is not safe. Let me introduce myself. My name is Leonard, and I'm an ordinary, hardworking American just like you. But I've found a way to save for retirement without leaving my accounts vulnerable. In a second, I'll tell you how you can too. A couple of years ago, I lost nearly everything. I'll never forget Friday, September 29th, 2008. $1.2 trillion vanished from the U.S. stock market, and the Dow fell over 778 points. I'd done everything I was supposed to. I worked hard and saved my money for retirement with $600,000 in my 401k to make sure I'd enjoy my golden years. But the advice everyone had given me my whole life was dead wrong. I made the mistake of putting all my eggs in one basket. I lost over $98,000 in one day and $400,000 in total over the next 6 months. I'm not about to let anyone make me lose that much money ever again. Are you? If you've put all your money back into traditional investment within your IRA or 401k, then the answer is yes. I've worked my whole life. Now at 62, I want to be able to enjoy myself. I don't want to spend the rest of my life working. And my guess is you don't either. You deserve to know exactly what plans big government and Wall Street have for your retirement assets, and how you can protect yourself and your family from their interference. You can be part of the select group of people who know the secret loophole, the few who'll be protected from the mistakes of the past and the uncertainties of the future. Physical, tangible assets are the only solution that allows you to take back the control of your retirement assets from the money managers and government officials. Even though my 401k lost 16% in one day, 45% in 9 days, and a devastating 65% over 6 months back in 2008, my retirement portfolio is still up over 200% in the last 4 years. So how did I increase my portfolio by 200% during the worst financial crisis in history? What is this investment that your financial advisor doesn't want you to know about because he won't make money off of it? That the government doesn't want you to know about because they can't regulate it to death? The answer is, I invested my surviving retirement funds in precious metals like gold and silver. Heritage Gold Group is aware of an obscure IRS loophole that'll let you roll over retirement funds into real gold coins, a tangible asset you can hold in your hand. Heritage Gold Group is one of the only companies dedicated to helping investors take advantage of this perfectly legal loophole. Gold is a safe haven that'll protect you and your family from the ups and downs of the economy. It not only protects you from major catastrophes like the one that almost ruined my life in 2008, but also from future inflation, a devalued U.S. dollar, excessive government regulation, and increasing economic instability. In times of stock market collapse, financial crisis, and war, smart people increasingly turn to gold, causing the price to skyrocket and creating big profits for those who were smart enough to get on board from the outset when they could still buy low. You probably have a million questions. I know I did. The good news is you don't have to be an expert on investing in these markets. Heritage Gold Group has the experts, and they do the work for you. If you're like me, you want to be educated about what you're investing in. Heritage Gold Group's knowledgeable retirement experts helped me through every step and answered my questions. And they sent me a free gold and silver investors kit so I could begin to educate myself without any obligation. Meet Peter and Brian, the two investment experts Heritage Gold Group assigned to work with me, so there's always someone available who knows me and knows the details of my account. When I call Heritage Gold Group, I'm never connected to some foreign country or dumped into an endless automated system. I always speak to Peter or Brian personally, and they never have to look me up on some computer to know who I am. The Investor's Kit will teach you everything that you need to know, giving you a look at precious metals and their benefits, plus an overview of investment-grade coins. I assure you, not making this phone call can cost you 40% or more of your retirement savings. I just want to make sure you reap the benefits I have from a gold IRA. Call Heritage like I did and get started on protecting your retirement account and your family's future. Call 855-GOLD-IRA or visit Heritage Gold Group online at heritagegoldgroup.com. Next to marrying my wife, making this phone call was the best decision I ever made. Take care, my friend.